In this video, I will show you how to set a temporary profile picture on Facebook. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your mobile. Now click on profile icon at the top. Now tap camera icon and from the available option, tap select profile picture. Next, you can either select a photo from your camera roll or take a new one. Let's select a profile picture. Once the photo is selected, you may click Edit button and you can adjust the photo by cropping and zooming. You can even decorate it with the frames provided. Next, click Make Temporary button. Here, choose the duration for the temporary profile picture, such as 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or custom time. And once done, just click the Save button at the top and your temporary profile picture will be set. So that is how you can set a temporary profile picture on Facebook. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.